Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Power BI visuals for corporate branding, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Power BI visuals for corporate branding, start by opening your Power BI desktop application. Once it's launched, navigate to the top menu and click on the Visualizations pane. In the Visualizations pane, look for the three dots, commonly referred to as the More Options button. Click on the three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Get More Visuals. This will direct you to the Marketplace where you can explore various visuals. In the Marketplace, you can either browse through the featured visuals or use the search bar to find specific visuals. Once you've found a visual that aligns with your corporate branding, click on it to see more details. Review the description, features, and user ratings to ensure it meets your needs. When you're ready to download, click on the Add button. The visual will then be added to your Power BI desktop. To use the downloaded visual, return to the Visualizations pane. You'll now see the new visual available for your reports. Drag and drop the visual onto your report canvas as needed. You can customize the visual's appearance to fit your corporate branding. Adjust colors, fonts, and sizes in the Format pane. Be sure to save your report after making any changes. You have successfully downloaded and applied Power BI visuals for your corporate branding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.